What if I tell you that now you can buy a luxury Arvind Smart Spaces home in Bannerghatta, South Bangalore at just 10,800 per square foot, where other A-grade developers in the same vicinity are selling at 12,500 per square foot to 17,000 per square foot. Sounds unreal, right? Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is not just a teaser. Today we are going to explore the smartest residential project in Bannerghatta, South Bangalore, and this is a limited period opportunity for you all. I guess you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Before diving into deep, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So we are here on the actual land parcel of the project and this is our marketing office of our newly launched project by Arvind Smart Spaces, and the land parcel starts from here itself. And now about the neighborhood of the project. So your main entrance will be right over here and the project is located just opposite to IDBI Layout Lake in Gotigere near Bannerghatta Main Road in South Bangalore. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project as well. So this is the Gotigere Main Road and this side on the right hand side will connect you towards Kotnur and on my left hand side road will take you towards Bannerghatta Main Road. So now you can connect to Bannerghatta Main Road in just 2 minutes from the project, 5 minutes away from upcoming Pink Line Metro Station, 15 minutes away from Konankunte Cross Green Line Metro. Arvind Bannerghatta gives you seamless connectivity to JP Nagar, Nice Ring Road, Electronic City, Kanakpura Main Road and even Mysore Road as well. Nearby landmark includes Royal Meenakshi Mall, Decathlon, IIM Bangalore and even Christ University as well. A low-density development with just 340 apartments in all, spread across 4.35 acres. Only 4 apartments per floor, making every unit a corner home. Premium specification without compromising quality. Bangalore's first ever sky deck offering 360-degree panoramic view with luxurious amenities like cafe, yoga deck, clubhouse, temple and many more. The pricing advantage for this project is surrounding project in the same vicinity are selling from 12,500 per square foot to 17,000 per square foot. At Arvind Bannerghatta, launch offer starts for first 100 customer is from 10,800 per square foot. Arvind Bannerghatta, spread across 4.35 acres of land parcel, offers you 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK is 1220 square feet, 2.5 BHK is 1475 square feet, 3 BHK is 1671 square feet and 4 BHK 1944 square feet super built up area. If you're planning to buy a new home or make a high growth investment right here in South Bangalore, then this is your opportunity. So quickly register on www.housey.com and stay tuned for more update of the launch and more details of the project as well. Don't wait for price to rise. Act now.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.